This must be the new fridge.
You like this?
All it needs to do is keep my fucking beer cold.
Whoops, did you forget to scan that barcode?
Yes, I did. On purpose.
Uh-oh, that yogurt is expired.
See? This could kill me. Now I can give it to Eric.
I'm not quite sure what you're doing. Is there something I can help you with?
Yeah, how do I shut you the fuck up?
Aw, is somebody having a rough day?
Did that fucker password protect the settings?
His fridge, his rules. Fuck. Hello, my cold friend. Hello?
Huh, suck it. Jian Yang?
You attack and destroy my refrigerator? And you misspell my name.
I did. Had to overclock Anton, but I was able to brute force the backdoor password to that Chrome piece of shit in under 12 hours. But I added a little visual flair.
Suck it. Jian Yang?